Let's now look at how to write an introduction. And again, we're talking about this same essay about the benefits of mobile devices. So what we've got here are 3 parts to an introduction, and most introductions will have these same 3 parts. Even though this is a very simple essay, this will give you a basic idea of what most essays require. So background information, that's the first important part that we need. And what we're really looking here is for an overview. We need to get basic information, simple information about the topic, just so that everybody knows what we're talking about in a nice simple way. The next main part of an introduction is paraphrasing the question, just to prove that we understand the main concepts. Sometimes when in this second part we might also include some definitions as well. So definitions are important, not in simple essays, but in more complex essays you'll probably define a few key terms in your introduction. Then we move on to what could be the most important part, which is your thesis statement. And in your thesis statement we're really thinking about an outline of the essay. This is like your contents, what is going to be included in your actual essay. So let's have a look at this simple introduction. We've got, starting with a nice little adverb phrase here, these days, comma, using mobile technology to receive the latest information has become popular. Very simple, it's just a bit of background information. Of course we don't need any references here. And then we move on to our paraphrasing the question. We're saying it in other words. So there are a number of advantages of using technology such as smartphones and tablets. So by using this idea of advantages, that's really the benefits. We're using paraphrasing just to prove that we understand what the question is asking us. Then we move into our thesis statement. This essay will explain the 3 main benefits of using these devices: portability, features, and price. We clearly can see here that this essay will give us some great information about portability in the first paragraph, second body paragraph should be about the features, and then third body paragraph will be about the price. So a nice simple introduction covering those 3 aspects. Like we said, a more complex essay might have 2 or 3 sentences or more for the background, 2 or 3 sentences or more for this, and a couple of sentences as well for the thesis statement.